Hi there, and thank you very much for coming out and joining us today, and welcome to our woodland bushcraft base camp. We've came out today to spend some time relaxing by the fire, make a nice brew, seeing where Bramble's gone now, and cook some salmon over the fire. So we've got some wood here and we're going to cook salmon on a stick. So stick around and stay with us and see how we get on.
Yeah.
Because we've never done this before, have we?
Looking
It's the
forward
first
to
time
it.
for us cooking with this method. So let's get cracking. We'll get this prepared and bring you back along. Right, I've got the components I need in order to cook this salmon. I've made some skewers that I'll put through the salmon. I've split this so far down, and then what we'll do, we'll put the salmon in there and then we'll lash that. I've stripped all the bark from all of these. As we all know, bark can harbour harmful bacteria and stuff like that. The wood I'm using is hazel because I know it's not toxic and it's ideal for this type of purpose, and where we're at there's an abundance of it, and this is green, this is freshly cut. So let's get the salmon and let's get cracking and get this cooked because I'm getting quite hungry now. Are you?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to this.
Right, firstly what we'll do with the salmon is put a couple small slits in the skin there, one in the middle, again there, and again there, and then again at the bottom. There we go, that across there like that. Same again on this one, through there. And again at the bottom. And then we're going to season that a little bit. We've brought some Cajun seasoning because we love Cajun seasoning. Get a bit of that off. And those of you that follow our channel on a regular basis will know that we like our food to be quite spicy. So we're going to hit that with a few chili flakes.
Smells lovely, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it? Right, that's the salmon all sorted and prepared. Let's get it on to cook and see how this works out. Yep, Claire?
I wonder how long it's going to take.
I know. Let's have a little look. Oh, nice bit of heat there.
Is there?
Yeah. Yeah. That way a bit more, I think. Might do away with that. See how we can get away. See if we can get away with it just on the rocks now. That's better, I think. I don't think we needed that bit.
Alright.
Well, you can really smell that now, can't you?
Yeah.
It smells delicious. Give that a turn again. Oh, look at that, Claire. Give that a turn again and just let it cook that side again.
It's amazing.
Bloody hell, that looks absolutely fantastic. How amazing does that look?
Good to see a big chunk of it now.
Yeah, I agree. Won't be long now. Won't be long. Let's have a shuffle about with these embers. Couple more minutes and that'll be done. I don't think it's far away now. Right, let's get this salmon checked. Oh my word, look at that.
Wow.
That looks fantastic.
It does.
I'd say that's cooked, would you?
We'll have to try it.
Yeah.
And find out.
Yeah, I'd say that's definitely cooked. Right, we'll get this off and we'll tuck in, aye. Let's get rid of this. That looks absolutely fantastic, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Claire, come look at this.
Oh, lovely.
Well, moment of truth, let's taste this salmon. We think Bramble likes it because we've left the skewers over there and she's making a mint job of cleaning them, isn't she? So let's have a taste of this. That's amazing. What do you think? That is absolutely delicious. Oh, that is really good.
It's beautiful.
I've been wanting to try cooking this method for some time now. It's something we've talked about quite a lot, isn't it? Many times. And we finally got round to doing it. And I must say, I'm really pleased we did because this is absolutely delicious.
Lovely.
That is amazing.
It is amazing.
Right, we're going to carry on eating this and we'll bring this back before we go.
When we're finished.
What are you up to? Right there, thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed the video. We've had a really good time and that salmon was absolutely delicious. It was just so tasty, wasn't it?
Mouth-watering.
Mouth-watering. As we mentioned, it's something that we've been looking forward for doing, cooking salmon in that method, hey Bramble. And it was well worth the wait and well worth the effort of doing. I hope you have enjoyed your time with us at our Woodland Bushcraft base camp. We have a upcoming video where we'll be camping in the near future. Over the Easter holidays, we're going to get over here camping and bring Bramble out on her first camp. Claire's going in the hammock, aren't you?
Yeah.
The front line. I'm going to try out the Dutch Army tent. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new around here, please hit the subscribe button and please hit the thumbs up. We would really appreciate that. It helps the channel. So we're just going to leave it here, and as always, stay safe and bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.